Joe Beermaster here with another Joe Beermaster adventure. Joe Beermaster, the car master. And today I'm going to discuss about the rust on these Dodge vans and on pickup trucks, which is very common, and how to cover it up. So if your quarter panels look like this, then you might want to consider, instead of repairing them, is replace them with cover-ups, Fender Flairs. So a typical repair on a quarter panel, a Dodge pickup truck for example, as this one is, would be body work plus paint, which is at least $700 per side. And a lot of people get it done. Or they could also do a cheap repair underneath, protect it with primer on, and then cover it up with these flares, which are pretty decorative if you like them. There's different styles. But you can get these anywhere from $100 to up to $400 depending on the style. Some have the bolts, some don't. And it'll only take about a half hour to put them on. Each side maybe a little more, or you could have a professional dome from anywhere from $50 to $200. So this is a great solution to the rust problem that goes on. I believe that the panels rust intentionally. You have different metals and on, and they're kind of made so your car looks old or truck looks old, so you'll maybe buy a new one. I believe that's a problem that could be corrected, but these these flares do a nice job in making the car look decorative. I particularly don't like this style, but there are styles that are very nice and a lot cheaper than repairing the rust, which has a big tendency to come back. So this is a good looking pickup for the year. It's in great shape, except you have those rust areas, and this would be a great solution to that problem. Wheel opening flares, and they also can be painted. Joe Beermaster, if you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.